different types of matrices. If you take any box shape, you can fill numbers, symbols, or anything that is known as matrices. This square arrangement. In that, there are different types of matrices. One type is known as a column matrix, that is row matrix. It has just one row like this, 2, 3, 5. And another one is known as, this one is row matrix. Another one type, the tell is column matrix. Here this one is known as column matrix. Here the tell the elements are like this. Only they have only one column, it has only one row. And among them one more type of matrix which is known as square matrix. Even that is square matrix, or this is also square matrix. That is like this, they have given. This is also square matrix. In this square matrix also there are different types of matrices. That is, first one is known as diagonal matrix. This one is like this. That is, all the non-diagonal elements are going to become zero. That is known as diagonal matrix. And in among diagonal matrix, all elements are one. That is known as scalar matrix. And among that, all elements are equal to one. That is known as identity matrix. Here they give what is identity matrix. They tell one more thing, that is how to add and subtract matrices. I tell how to add a matrices. Here they give 2, 3, 5, 8, and in another matrix they are giving us this one, 3, 6, 7, 9. Here you need to add these two matrices. You must add the specific elements of the matrix. Here add this one with this one, 2 plus 3 which becomes 5, and 3 plus 6 which becomes 9, and here 5 plus 7 which becomes 12, and 8 plus 9 which becomes equal to 17. This is one type of matrix. I tell next how to add another one matrix, that is like this. You can add it out. That is 5, 7, 9, 3, and here plus minus 3, 5, minus 4, minus 7. When you add these two matrices, just take out the terms. First term with first term you must add 5 minus 3 which is going to become equal to 2. And then this one, second term with second term, 7 plus 5 which becomes equal to 12. And this third term with third term, that is 9 minus 4 becomes equal to 5. And this 3 minus 7 which becomes equal to minus 4. 7 minus 3 is 4, so this minus symbol remains, it becomes minus 4. They give different formulas for finding out the matrices. They are asking us to find out what is 3 into 2 matrix. 3 into 2 matrix means it must has 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, and 2 columns, and each element they give element name as like this. That is, element names are given as I plus j. Here any element, this one is known as a11 and a12. First number is row, second number is column. This is first row and this is second row, that is a21, a22, and this one is third row, so it is a31, a22. Now let's find that out by that formula. They are giving each element can be written as I plus j. So first find out each of those elements. A11 means I plus j means 1 plus 1 which will be equal to 2. So 2 is the first element. Now let's find out second element, a12. Here also it is I plus j. So this is I, this is j, which will be 1 plus 2. So it becomes equal to 3. So this element is 3. Now let's find out a21. A21 is again 2 plus 1. This is also equal to 3. So even this element is 3. Now let's find out a22. A22 is another element. This element also I plus j formula. So 2 plus 2 which will become equal to 4. This element is equal to 4. And let's find out this element a31. This means you are taking out I plus j means 3 plus 1 which will be equal to 4 again. So this is 4. And again A 3 2. A 3 2 means here not 2 2, it is 3 2. It is 3 plus 2, which will be equal to 5. So this element is equal to 5. These are all different elements of matrix. Now tomorrow I'm going to tell how to multiply matrix, how to add and subtract and find out identity of matrices, all of those things. Now I start by taking exponent problems. Here they are giving out this one, that is 2 cube times of 3 square whole square. Now when they have given whole square comes to even this number and even this number. So it will be equal to 2 cube whole square times of 3 whole square. You need to multiply the terms inside and outside of bracket. 3 times of 2 is 6. So it becomes 2 power of 6. Here also 2 times of 2 is 4. So it becomes 3 power of 4. Let's take one more problem. Here they are giving 5 cube times of 5 power of minus 3. Here also in the same way. Here also base is 5. Here also base is 5. So take 5 as the common base and add up the powers. 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 becomes 0. So 5 power of 0, which will be equal to 1. Any number to power 0 becomes equal to 1. 1 power of 0 is also 1. 10 power of 0 is also 1. 17 power of 0 is also 1. 100 power of 0 is also 1. And even if you take 1000 power of 0, it also becomes equal to 1. So let's take the next problem. This problem they are giving out 9 power of half whole power of this one cube whole cube. Here they are giving inside and outside of the bracket. You need to multiply. That becomes 9 times of half times of 3. Here 3 times of 1 in numerator becomes equal to 3, denominator 2. It is 9 power of 3 by 2. 9 can be written as 3 times of 3, so it is equal to 3 square. This one will be equal to 3 square whole power of 3 square whole power of 3 by 2. Now also you need to multiply inside and outside of bracket. 3 power of 2 times of 3 by 2. You can divide it 2 1 times from denominator to numerator. It becomes equal to 3 cube. Or you can expand it and write 3 times of 3 times of 3. 3 times of 3 9. 9 times of 3 27. This is equal to 27. Let's take one more problem. Here they are giving out 2 power of 5. It is 2 power of 5 divided by 2 square and it is whole cube. Now go inside of the bracket. Inside of the bracket you can write this complete number like this, that is 2 power of 5 above and 2 power of 2 square below whole power of cube. Now here also base is 2, here also base is 2. So take 2 as the common base. Numerator power, when this 2 square comes above from denominator to numerator, that power becomes negative. That means this 2 square power go above, this 2 becomes negative of minus 2. So this whole cube remains as it is. 5 minus 2, which becomes equal to 3. 2 cube whole power of 3. And now you can multiply these two inside and outside of bracket. 3 times of 3, which becomes equal to 9. So this is equal to 2 power of 9. Let's take one more problem. This is another one final problem, that is 4 by 9 whole power of 4 by 9 whole power of 3 by 2. Here also you can do in the same way. 4 can be written as 2 times of 2, or it is equal to 2 square, and 9 will be can be written as 3 times of 3, so it is equal to 3 square. So this complete problem will be equal to 2 square by 3 square whole power of 3 by 2. Now this 2 by 3 can be again written as 2 by 3 whole square times of this 3 by 2, already existing power. Here we are taking power 2 as common. You can divide denominator and numerator. It becomes 2 by 3 whole cube, or you can even multiply it out. 2 by 3 whole cube can be written as 2 as 2 times of 2 times of 2, 3 as 3 times of 3 times of 3, 2 times of 2 4, 4 times of 2 8, below 3 times of 3 9, 9 times of 3 27, 8 by 27. I explain more concepts by